Tips and tricks for learning English. Listen. Listen. What should I listen to? Listen to the new words and re-listen as much as you can. Listen to songs. 1. Choose an easy song that you like and memorize it. 2. Choose the song whose lyrics you can find written and translated. 3. Choose only one song. Don't distract yourself with many songs. Why should I listen? First, listening makes it easy to memorize and helps you perfect pronunciation in a very short time. Second, listening makes it easy to understand native speakers. Good luck.